You're so kind. Hey everybody, welcome back to LEGO Masters 2011. Today we are going to be doing a reaction video on one of Darman's videos where a kid pulls a fire alarm to skip test. I don't know about you, school rules seem a bit weird and don't make sense, but this one is allowed because not only that you're skipping tests, but you're also evacuating the whole school. So just be a good boy, study for your test. Although we don't have to study for any tests here, we just learn at school. We're not American here, we're English. Come on, what are we waiting for? You might know that we're in a dark spot today. Well, we are aimed at trash, so how could this be? Well, we're underneath the Lego table, so we're underneath a lot of Lego bricks and a wooden board. So, without further ado, let's get on with this. Oh yeah, and I've also got my food, me water in this prime bottle, and we're going, even with the screen as bright as it can be, and in good quality. Let me just check the quality, make sure it's good. 480p. Now we'll survive. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Check out what I bought for our trip to Legoland this week. Yo, that's so cool. Wait,
I
how
like
did you
them
get your
days.
mom to go? I thought you were grounded. I just told her I wouldn't fail any tests this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests. I am such a genius.
Ew!
At least to wash your hand first. What? You scared of G? Dude, watch out. You almost pulled the fire.
Whoa.
Hey,
I eat proper food.
what you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this? This is a surprise.
That doesn't sound good. Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Like the video if it's a pop quiz.
I gotta find some way to get out of it. Come on, the reading last night was easy. It was? Yeah, didn't you do it? And miss out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way.
Bruh, school
I gotta get out of this
comes
somehow.
before
Here we
school
go again.
comes before
Pretend I'm
video
sick.
games.
You already did that like 5 times and it never works. True.
Faking sick
Maybe I
never
could
works.
pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Whoa. Yes. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone. Shay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory? Yeah, dude. That won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious you're faking it. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Good boy.
So
Big
when do you
boy
think you'll have
is
it
good.
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much. Today's my lucky day. Mikey, do I have to tell you every single time? Running away from problems just makes them worse. Please, Derek. I've been running away from my
Subscribe
problems since first
to
grade.
this channel if you think he's gonna get caught.
Where? Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded
Ew.
every single summer. And what's your GPA, guy? I don't want to talk about that. But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right. Alright, look. I'm running out of time, alright? Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point. Don't underestimate me, alright? Look.
He's gonna put it on the Lego shirt.
Okay, do not turn these over
That
just yet.
Lego shirt's rad cool. Ew, not again.
Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use a cracker, not your finger.
I agree with the
All
teacher.
right, everybody, what I have for you
It's all
here
pudding.
is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down, please.
Oh no, don't put it on the shirt.
Did you hear
That's
what happened
disgusting.
at Chesterfield High? Some pond pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
Oh, there's putting ideas in his head.
Last I heard, they hadn't figured out who it was.
Oh dear.
Got what? I'm gonna put the fire alarm. What? That's a terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on camera. He said the camera won't be working till tomorrow. Oh, dear. But I think that's going a little too far, Mikey. What if they test for fingerprints? Then I'll pull it with my shirt. That way there's no fingerprints. I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences for that if I got caught, which will never happen. Do I have to explain it to you every single time?
Your plans never work, Jinx!
I said it first. these
Yeah, I
things?
did it first.
I'll prove it. Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah, okay, Mike. Just hurry back.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, he's gonna pull it. He's gonna pull it. You might want to turn your volume down. Next part might be a bit loud. Oh yeah, and there's strobe, so epilepsy warning.
Hey, young man. You want something?
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Oh no, he
Wait,
almost
wrong
got caught.
direction. Bathroom is that way.
Oh, yes, I know. I just needed something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
What's disgusting is the thing on his shirt. I can hear kids. There's always the floorboard that creaks. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. No, don't pull it with the dirty bit. They're gonna recognize him. Oh dear. Now hiding.
Let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay?
Everybody's evacuating just because of Mikey.
All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
What's up, kids? Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz? Can't believe you actually did that. Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get
Everyone.
caught. Woo! Yeah, not yet. We'll see about that.
Mikey, there you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Oh dear.
Dang it, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Wait,
Yeah.
there was no pop quiz. He bought it for nothing.
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are you guys talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? See, I was thinking about that, bro. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks.
Lemon cake is good.
Mikey, he's right. You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. As my dad always says,
He's right.
running away from your problems just makes them worse. Well, my dad says that the moon is made of cheese. What's your point? His point is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, and your mom might even take away your talent again. You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Well,
Gulp.
Wilson,
That's good.
this is Captain Stoll.
Not.
He's going to be asking everybody some questions.
Not only
it's nice to meet
did
you. Nice to
he
meet you.
pull it for
So,
nothing,
looks like it was a false alarm.
but he also got the fire department over there. That's illegal.
What were you and your class doing right before the alarm?
Jay's right.
Well, I had just handed
It's a
everybody
serious
some
crime to
paperwork.
pull a fire
Teacher came in,
alarm
told me
or
about what
press
happened
it in
Chesterfield.
England.
And then
Although not my fire alarm because it's not
that's
connected
about
to
all I can
any
remember. Well,
thing
thank you very
or
much, Mr.
any
Wilson. Of course.
where else.
Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
Uh-oh.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey, did you see anything?
No, actually, you know, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
You too, Mikey.
Me? Why?
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
Sean. Did you like?
Yes, actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
You were?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out. Here we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Don't say that.
I mean, phew. Luckily everyone's okay.
Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
They know that
Let
he
me
pulled the
rephrase
fire
myself.
alarm.
So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom.
Or at
then
least they're
I went
suspicious.
to the bathroom.
Does anybody know what happened yet?
Not yet. Mikey is explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
You did what?
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Principal Danvers?
Yes, I am.
It's not gonna work, but they're gonna find the
Let me see who
cheese.
suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was I saying?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well,
He's
see,
having
there was a
difficulty.
girl, and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
He's in trouble,
I'm
but
telling
not
you
from
everything I
fire
know.
alarm.
I swear.
Principal?
Yes.
We didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
It's gonna be the cheese.
It looks like cheese dip.
Cheese dip.
Oh dear.
Mikey, you were eating cheese in my classroom.
And with the fingers. Ew.
Did you
That's
see?
how
Look,
it
my
got on
hands
the
are clean.
shirt.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why
Oh,
there
dear.
isn't any prints. Use a shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey, how could you do that? Especially after all that we've been through.
Please, just don't tell my mom.
He's gonna tell
I
Mum.
didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah,
Oh, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
a game? Are you serious? You mean I did all this for nothing?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually going to come with us.
Going to prison.
Pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. You didn't know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm going to take you downtown. Go.
He's getting arrested.
No, please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's going to be all right.
No. Don't take me. Let me go. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
Fred is
Jay.
under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Eric. Help me, man. Mikey. Mom.
His mom's there. He
Can't
found out.
explain. I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Mom, please don't take away my tablet. And don't ground me. I just want to go to the Legoland with my
Oh,
friends.
That is what you're
that's what
most
is
worried
gonna
about.
happen when he gets
You
out of
should
prison.
be worried about going to juvie. I'll meet you at the station.
Yes, ma'am.
But no.
Come on,
Mom.
kids.
Please, Mom, no.
Going to prison.
Let me go. Let me go.
He is going. He's in the car.
Eric, help. All I can say is, running from your problems just makes them worse.
Just printed off your exam.
That was the most funniest Starman video I've seen. But check out my channel, because I'm gonna have some more Starman videos coming up, and I've got some other awesome content on there as well. So smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, sledgehammer the bell icon, and speed type a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.